In today's video, I am going to teach you how to multiply numbers in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a formula that multiplies values from two columns and shows the result for every row in your database. First, make sure you are working inside a Notion database, such as a table or list, and that you already have at least two columns using the number property type. These might be something like price and quantity, but any two numeric columns will work. The key detail is that both columns must be numbers, not text or any other type, so Notion can perform the calculation correctly. If your columns are already set up this way, you are ready to go. Next, add a formula property. At the top of your database, click the plus button in the header to create a new property. Then choose Formula. This will create a new column that will hold the result of the multiplication for each row. You'll see a formula editor appear, which is where you'll write the calculation. Now edit the formula so it multiplies the two columns. Click into the new formula field and enter the expression prop column. 1 multiply prop column 2. Be sure to replace column 1 and column 2 with the exact names of your number columns, including capitalization and spaces. And keep the names inside quotation marks. The asterisk is the multiplication operator. If your columns are named price and quantity. For example, the formula would be prop prices, asterisk prop quantity. As soon as you type it correctly, Notion will preview the result for the currently selected row. If both reference cells in a row contain numbers, you'll see a calculated value. If one is blank, the result may appear empty until both inputs are filled. When you are satisfied with the formula, click Done. Notion will immediately apply this calculation to every row in the database, and your new formula column will display the multiplied value for each one. From now on, whenever you update either of the original number columns, the formula column updates automatically. This keeps your totals accurate without any extra work, and it ensures consistency across your entire database. That's all there is to it. Confirm you have two number columns. Add a formula property, enter prop column 1 multiply prop column 2 with your actual column names and click Done to see the results. It's a simple setup that saves time and reduces manual math in your workflows. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get more out of your Notion databases.